Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to check if someone reported your Instagram account. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen to navigate to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Help option. Tap on it, and then select Support Requests. This section shows you any recent requests or issues related to your account. Here, you'll see a few options like Violations and Reports. Tap on Violations to see if Instagram has taken any action against your account due to reports. If someone has reported your account and Instagram has reviewed it, any action they took will be listed here. If your account has been reported and Instagram found a violation, they may issue a warning, remove content, or even disable certain features. It's important to review these and understand what might have triggered the report, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.